The 6 officers involved in the Michael Jenkins and Eddie Parker case pled guilty to a host of civil rights violations. 12 News' Tia McKenzie has been following this story. She brings us an update now. Tia, what can you tell us?
Melanie, all eyes are on Mississippi after the U.S. Department of Justice announced guilty pleas for the 6 officers involved in the January abuse case. Those charged in the case are former Rankin County deputies Christian Dedman, Hunter Elward, Brett McAlpin, Jeffrey Middleton, and Daniel Opdyke, as well as former Richland police officer Joshua Hartfield. Back in January, the 6 men who referred to themselves as the Goon Squad because of their use of excessive force and failure to report it, raided a Braxton home. During the incident, they assaulted Michael Jenkins and Eddie Parker with a sex object, beat them, and used their stun guns repeatedly over a 90-minute period. The 6 men used racist slurs against Jenkins and Parker during the raid. Court documents show the officers went there because a neighbor had complained that black people were staying with the white woman who owned the home.
They tried to burn clothes that these victims were wearing while they were tortured with liquids, alcohol, stun guns. When they couldn't burn those clothes, they just discarded them. They even went to the point of searching for shell casings. Having found one of the 3 shell casings, they discarded it in a field, never to be found. Even discussing the possibility of using a drop gun, a gun to plant so that they can claim justifiable shooting. I was about to say homicide, but I'll leave it at shooting. Thank God he did live. Having decided against the drop gun, they took the BB pistol that they had used in their endeavors to sexually assault these victims and planted it by the victim, who was shot, lying on the floor, bleeding.
Late this afternoon, Mississippi Attorney General Lynn Fitch announced her office would file state charges against the 6 men, and the Rankin County Sheriff Brian Bailey said in a statement, the badge worn by so many has been tarnished by criminal acts of these few individuals. Based on the facts in their guilty pleas, all former deputies lied to me the night of the incident. Federal marshals took the 6 officers into custody Thursday, and a judge said that the men will be sentenced in mid-November. Live in Jackson, Tia McKenzie, 12 News.